Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Thursday, January 7th, 2021. We've been talking about growth mindset all week. I've been hearing about your goals. I've been hearing about your progress you're making towards your goals. I think that you're probably going to meet your goal by tomorrow. But let's talk about what you're going to tell yourself today. A little bit of positive talk, a little bit of making sure that you are ready to meet your goal. Before we do that, let's stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand up. Get all nice and straight. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Get all nice and settled. Show me a good slant. Sit up really straight. Track the speaker. I can't even really move around that far. But if I move a little bit, you got to follow me with your eyes. What I want you to talk about today is this idea. You set a goal. Some of you set that goal Monday or Tuesday. You wrote it down. You've been working on it all week long. I want to know, what are you going to tell yourself today so you keep working on that goal? Because I know a lot of people set a goal that they will have finished by Friday. Like I saw first graders saying they'll pass a certain number of puzzles on ST Math before Friday. Whatever your goal is, today I want you to tell yourself that you can actually do it, because you really can do it. You really can meet your goal. But you got to give yourself a little pep talk. You got to get yourself all pumped up, and then we're going to work super hard and meet our goal. So raise your hand and let's start getting some ideas about what will you tell yourself so that you'll keep going and try and meet your goal. Have a great day, Achieve.